Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add turbulence transitions to your edits in CapCut. So just add a clips and add the clips, and here I've used two videos or two clips. Click on the second clip, go to animation, and under the in category add the turbulence animation. You can adjust it to your liking. Okay, this one I'm going to adjust it to 0.9 seconds. Click on a check icon, and now under the second clip, go to the overlay and add a white overlay from the stock videos. Okay, this one, adjust the size until it covers all of the clips and trim it to match the duration of the main clip. Go to blend and click on overlay. Click on a check icon at the start, add a keyframe, and at the end also. Now at the end, go to blend and lower the overlay or the blend to 0, so it will become like this. Okay, and now click on the transition box and add the pull out transition from the camera section. Pull out, okay, this one. I'm going to adjust it to 0.97 seconds, and that's it. This will be the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.